તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો જી ટોક્સ ન્યૂઝ, સાચી ખબર સાચી દિશા.
Greetings and a warm welcome to everyone joining us. I am Dr. Hemlata, your host for today's special episode of G Talk, our exclusive career counseling series. We are thrilled to have done Dr. Shumir Singh Rathod, Deputy Director of Gokul Global University, as our guest. Today we will know about the work of GGU International Student Affairs Cell, which supports students from over 18 countries. As the university aims to expand its global reach, we will explore with our guest why international students choose Gokul Global University and what make it a top destination. So without further delay, let's welcome our esteemed guest. Hello sir, welcome
Hello.
to G Talk. It's an honor to have you with us today. To begin with, could you please share your thought on importance of students affairs cell in a university like ours? Why is it circular in the today's globalized education landscape?
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, thank you for inviting me. Student Affairs Cell is an essential part of any globally minded university and particularly important in a growing institution like our Gokul Global University. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, education is no longer limited to national boundaries. Students today look for universities that offer not only academic excellence but also a truly global experience. At our university, the International Student Affairs Cell plays a crucial role in supporting students from different countries, helping them adjust to a new academic environment, understand local culture, manage formalities like visas, documentation, and most importantly, feel at home. Our cell also helps in creating a vibrant multicultural campus atmosphere in our GGU campus.
Okay, now that we understand its importance, could you give a brief overview of the International Students Affairs Cell at Gokul Global University? What are the key responsibilities and focus areas?
Okay, absolutely. I would be happy to share that at our Gokul Global University, the International Student Affairs Cell is a dedicated unit that functions as both a support system and a bridge between the university and its international students community. Our goal is to ensure that students from across the globe feel welcomed, supported, and empowered throughout their academic journey here. The key responsibility and focus areas of the cell include pre-arrival and onboarding support, and academic and cultural integration, and regulatory and documentation assistance like FRRO and visa related formalities, student welfare and counseling, and community engagement and representation. In short, the cell is focused not just on providing services but on creating a home away from home from our international students, fostering a positive, inclusive, and growth oriented environment. And we can say that our international students feel in this university like their own home.
Okay, sir. Next question. As someone working closely with international students, you must be aware toward the hurdles they face. In your experience, what are the main challenges international students encounter when they come to India for their studies?
Yes, ma'am. That's very important question. In my experience working closely with international students, I have observed that while they come with great enthusiasm and ambition, they also face several challenges when they arrive in India for their studies. Some of main challenges include like cultural adjustment, language barrier, climate and lifestyle differences, academic transition, visa and regulatory formalities, emotional well-being and homesickness. That's why our International Students Affairs Cell place strong emphasis on orientation, continuous mentoring and emotional support. That's why our International Student Affairs Cell places strong emphasis on orientation, continuous mentoring, and emotional support, because addressing these challenges early is key to a successful and enriching academic experience in India.
Okay, lastly, Dr. Rathod, could you highlight some of the special facilities and support system of Gokul Global University offer to make international students feel at home and thrive in the academic journey?
Thank you, ma'am, for that question. It's a pleasure to share this at our Gokul Global University. We are deeply committed to creating a welcoming, safe, and supportive environment for our international students. Our aim is not just to educate them academically, but to ensure they feel at home physically, emotionally, and socially. To achieve this, we have developed several special facilities and support system, including one dedicated international student affairs cell, international student hostel, customized orientation programs, 24 into 7 student helpline and counseling support, multi-cuisine mess facility, language and academic support, cultural celebration and international events. Gokul Global University is not just a place to study, it's a second home for our international students where they are respected, supported, and encouraged to grow in every dimension of life. And lastly, we are Indians, and as Indians, we believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam, that our whole world and whole earth is our family, and we treated them as like our family members.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rathod, for sharing such a valuable insights. It's a truly inspiring to learn how to GGU creating a global academic environment that values diversity, inclusivity, and excellence. And to all our viewers, whether you are aspiring international student or simply exploring your career path, stay tuned for more enlightening episode on G Talk. Until next time, take care, keep striving on success. Thank you.
Thank you.